This is a review for the Kenmore PM1005. This unit is about 14.5 inches tall, it has about an 8-inch diameter, and it weighs about 4.5 pounds. This unit features a single combination filter that consists of a pre-filter, a HEPA particle filter, and a carbon gas filter. Air enters the air purifier, mostly on the back here. There is a grill on the back. So air enters through that grill. It goes through the pre-filter of the combination filter, then through the HEPA particle filter, then through the carbon filter, and then it exits through the top of the unit here. Looking at the top control panel here, this unit features 3 fan speeds, low, medium, and high. It outputs at about 120 CFM, and it usually retails for around $70. Moving on to things that we like and dislike about this air purifier, the first thing that we really like about it is the fact that it's very small and light. This unit can be easily put up on a dresser, up on a desk. Most competitors on the market are much larger and they can only be used on the floor. So for the fact that this unit is very small and light, that is definitely a strong positive for it. We also really like the fact that this unit has a HEPA filter. HEPA is the gold standard for particle filtration when it comes to air purification. It's the same type of particle filter that you find on much more expensive units. Units that are upwards of $500, even $1,000, they come equipped with a HEPA particle filter. And that's the same type of particle filter that you get with this Kenmore unit at a much, much lower price point. Most competitors at the same price point as this unit do not come equipped with a HEPA filter. So for the fact that this unit comes equipped with a HEPA filter at its price point, that is another very strong positive for it. We also really like the fact that this unit is highly energy efficient. And this is actually a very unique feature of this Kenmore unit at its size. Most other small air purifiers are actually highly energy inefficient. They're not energy efficient at all. So for the fact that you get very good energy efficiency with this unit in this form factor, that is another very strong positive for it. Lastly, this Kenmore air purifier is also a very good value. When we divide its airflow by its usual retail price, it has an airflow to dollar ratio of 1.7, which is one of the highest ratios of any air purifier that we've tested. So that is another very strong positive for this unit, is that it is an excellent value. Moving on to things that we don't like about this unit, we do not like the fact that this unit only has 120 CFM of airflow. Now it does have very good airflow for the price, so relative to its price it has good airflow, but relative to most other top-rated air purifiers we recommend, this unit actually has very low airflow. And with its low airflow, that limits its area of coverage. We really don't recommend this unit be used in rooms much larger than 150 square feet. So you're really limited on the area of coverage for this unit because of its low airflow. So that is a negative for this unit. The PM1005 also gets very loud for a small air purifier. We measured its noise output on its highest fan speed at 70.6 decibels. Most small air purifier competitors were measured in the mid to low 60 decibel range. So high noise output, especially on its highest fan speed, is a negative for this Kenmore unit. Another negative for this unit is the quality of its pre-filter. It has a low quality mesh pre-filter that's stretched right over its HEPA filter. Now, most other competitors in the same price range also have a similar setup. They also have a low quality mesh that's stretched right over their particle filters, but top rated units that we actually recommend have a high quality mesh pre-filter that is separate from the main filter. And so for the fact that this Kenmore unit has that low quality mesh pre-filter that's stretched right over its particle filter, that is definitely a negative for it. Finally, the last negative we'll mention here is the fact that this unit also has a low quality gas filter. It only has a foam filter that's coated with carbon. Again, most competitors at the same price point also have a low quality carbon filter, but top rated units we recommend actually have carbon pellets in their gas filter. And so they have a much higher quality gas filter than what you get in this Kenmore unit. When it comes to general recommendations, the Kenmore is still one of the best small air purifiers that we've tested. It does have a low quality pre-filter and a low quality gas filter, but so do most competitors at the same price point. What you do uniquely get with this Kenmore unit is that HEPA particle filter, and that's really the key here. Most competitors, units like the Levoit Core series, the Core 200, Core 300, even something like the Blue Pure 411, all of those small low-priced units have proprietary particle filters. They do not have a HEPA particle filter. So if you're on a budget and you need a small air purifier with a small footprint, we would recommend this Kenmore unit over those alternative options because it has a true HEPA filter. See the description of this video for a link to check the current pricing of the Kenmore, as well as a link to the latest updated list of all of the air purifiers we recommend. And thank you for watching.